Hi, where to?
East 2nd.
Okay, sounds good. What are your names?
You don't know who we are.
Shh, quiet, Kanye.
Sorry, Kim.
So, Kim and Kanye, what if I told you guys you are participating in the second season of Math Cab? It is an academic math game show that takes place right here in my cab. I'm going to ask specific knowledge questions about factoring. The questions are going to start off easy and get harder as we go. The harder they are, the more points they're worth. As long as you continue to answer them correctly, you're going to win points and money all the way until the end of your ride. Both of you are going to find a notebook with a Sharpie to write out your answers. 3 strikes and you're out. Okay, the first question is about foiling. Are you ready?
I guess.
What is 6x plus 1, 2x plus 9?
Okay.
Why are you putting me in this position?
It's okay.
I
Okay.
feel so uncomfortable.
Okay, we have our answers. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
No. Unfortunately, both of those answers are not right.
Kanye's always the answer.
No, not this time. Alright, so the real way to solve the problem is you just follow the letters FOIL. First, 6x times 2x equals 12x times 2. Then you go to the outside. 6x times 9 equals 54x. The inside, which was 1 times 2x equals 2x. And then the last, 1 times 9 equals 9. Sum it all up and you get 12 times 2 plus 56x plus 9. Okay, we're moving on to factoring quadratic equations when x equals 1. Here's the question. So when x equals 1, how do you factor x squared plus 4x minus 32?
I don't understand.
It's okay. Don't get all worked up again. It's okay. 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 So we'll just write it down. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. Here's our answer. Kanye's always the answer.
Kanye's always the answer.
No.
Thank you.
No, it's not. Okay. So you guys are not trying.
What are you saying?
No, the correct answer is x minus 4x plus 8. Now get out. Oh, hi, Justin and Selena. Where to?
1738 Swag Lane.
Guess what? You guys are in the math cab. I'm going to ask you math problems. You guys are competing against each other, so no cheating. Are you ready?
Swag!
Okay. Your first question. 24x squared y plus 34xy plus 12y.
All I know is how to find the common denominator. Swag. Okay, let's do this. Okay.
Okay, I think I've got it.
Alright, you ready to hold up our answers?
Ready? Alright, so Selena, you got it right.
Swag is up.
Okay, so next question. Find the difference of perfect squares. Here's your problem.
Oh wait, I have to explain how.
Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah.
I gotta help out
how did you do that? How? Is it? Did you do it like that?
Yeah. Well,
Like, how did you do that?
2y times 12x squared plus 17x plus 6. And you add 8 plus 9, which equals 17. And 8 times 9 equals 72. And 2y times 12x squared plus 8x plus 9x plus 6x goes into 2y times 4x times 3x plus 2 plus 3 times 3x plus 2. And then you simplify that to 2y times 3x plus 2 times 4x plus 3.
She's so swaggy and smart. Swag.
All right.
Thanks, Justin.
So, next question. Find the difference of perfect squares. Here's your problem. X to the second power minus 36.
Okay. Alright, I got this this time. I got it. Alright, ready? Alright, you ready? Alright, ready?
Ready. That was the same answer. Still no. But, yes, Selena, you did in fact get it right. In order to get the cash, you have to explain how you found the different squares.
Oh, baby, it's okay. Baby. It's okay.
How did you do that?
Selena, can you please explain your answer?
First, you have to decide if the 4 terms have anything in common, called the greatest common factor. If so, factor out the greatest common factor. Do not forget to include the greatest common factor as part of your final answer. In this case, the 2 terms only have a 1 in common, which is of no help. To factor this problem into a form, a plus b times a minus b, you need to determine the squares will equal x squared and what squared will equal 36. In this case, the choices are x because x times x equals x squared and 6 times 6 equals 36 squared. Determine if any of the remaining factors can be factored further. In this case, they cannot, so the final answer is x plus 6 times x minus 6 or x minus 6 times x plus 6.
Wow, great job, Selena. Okay, you are here. Thanks for playing.
Swag! Peace out, swag master.
Oh.
Hey, Drake and LeBron. Where
What's up?
to?
Yo. Well, my hotline just blinked, so I'm on my way to 1246 Bling Street, and LeBron is just tagging along.
Guess what? You guys are in the math cab. I'm going to ask you math questions, and if you get it correct, then you will get money.
I'm gonna just walk. Math isn't really my thing, sorry.
I guess I'll play.
Alright. Alright. So, Drake, here's your completing the square math question. 4x squared minus 2x minus 5 equals 0.
Yo, you ready?
I'm ready.
I know when that hotline blink,
Oh.
that can only mean one thing.
100 hotline bling! Yo!
No, not the answer. No. Alright,
D is the only number I know, fam.
Okay, I'll just explain it. Okay. So the original problem was 4x squared minus 2x minus 5 equals 0, which does not equal 1-800 hotline bling. You move the loose number over to the other side. Divide through by whatever is multiplied on the squared term. Take half off the coefficient. Don't forget the sign of the x term and square it. Add this square to both sides of the equation. Convert the left-hand side to squared form and simplify the right-hand side. This is where you use that sign that you kept track of earlier. You plug it into the middle of the parenthetical part. Square root both sides, remembering the plus and minus on the right-hand side. Simplify as necessary. Solve for x equals. Remember that the plus or minus means that you have two values for x. Alright, here you are at your location. Have fun hotline blinging.
Thank you.
No. You're not the one to break up with me. I'm the one that's breaking up with you. So we are never, ever, ever getting back together. Oh my god. That is a perfect name for a song.
Okay. Hi. Taylor and Fetty Wap. What's happening?
Nothing. Like nothing.
Okay. Alright. So you just got into the math cab.
Yeah, baby.
I'm going to ask you math questions, and if you get it correctly, then you'll get money. Where to?
Okay, fine. Take me to 1245 Bling Street. I'm meeting a guy there.
Right. Here's your question. Solve x squared minus 4 equals 0.
Okay.
Solve by taking the square root.
Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright, I think I got it. What about you, Freddie?
I'm ready.
Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3.
1738.
No? Not neither of the answers. So, yeah, no. Here's how to do it correctly. You isolate the squared variable term and put the number over on the other side. I know that when solving an equation, I can do whatever I like to that equation as long as I do the same thing to both sides of the equation. On the left-hand side of this particular equation, I have an x squared and I need a plain x. To turn an x squared into an x, I can take the square root of each side of the equation. Then the solution is x equals plus or minus 2. Here's the next question.
Why do you keep saying X?
I'm sorry. I'll stop. I won't say it anymore. I'll substitute with a T. How about that? For Taylor.
Okay.
Okay, here's the next question. Find the value of the discriminant and state the number and the type of solution it will have. T squared minus 2t minus 4 equals 0.
Okay. Okay, I think I can do this now since like my name's in it. Okay, I think I got the right answer. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh, mine's right!
Good job,
Okay.
Taylor.
Okay, I'll explain to you how I got it right.
Okay.
Okay. So, it's basically like the discriminant of a quadratic expression is inside the radical of the quadratic formula, like b squared minus 4ac. So you just substitute the values of a, b, and c. So it's going to be like negative 2 times 2, minus 4 times 1 times 4, and you put that all in. I did that all in my head because I'm really smart. And then I got the answer, the result to find the discriminant, and the answer is 12!
Good job. Okay, you guys are here. Thanks for playing. Fetty, you never told me an address.
I just wanted to ride, fam. I was bored. Okay, bye.
Bye!
Oh, you want to play now?
No, I just need a ride. I got tired.
Alright.
Hit it, fam.
Pipe it up, pipe it up, pipe it up, pipe it up.
pipe it up, pipe it up, pipe it up, pipe it up. I walk in the club just to pipe it up. I stand on the stage and I pipe it up. Get a regular hotel, I pipe it up. Buy a bando, then I pipe it up. Pipe it up, pipe it up, pipe it up.